Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Well, we're out here, we're coming into New Year's Eve and we're getting ready. Actually, we've been working for about the last month gearing up for the Ask Me About Bolivar shows. You know, we've been doing them about 8 weeks now. We started off with the North Jetties. We talked about the history, and then we also did a show on the fishing and the birding. Well, then we jumped over to Fort Travis, and that was a 5-week show where we gave a general overview of Fort Travis, and then we did a show on each bunker, showing you around the bunker, inside and out, and a little history and when they were built. Well, I'm happy to say we're kicking off the new year with the Bolivar Lighthouse. And this is going to be about a 3, 4, 5-week series. I think a 4-week series as of right now. And the first 2 weeks is going to be all about the foundation, or about the foundation and the history. And then the second 2 weeks is all about the rebuild. And so we're going to give you an in-depth view not only of the foundation, the history, and the rebuild process and where they stand, but we're also going to take you inside the lighthouse and inside one of the homes. And so I want to thank Amy for taking the time to sit down and do the shows with us. I want to thank the Lighthouse Foundation for coming together and really taking charge of this icon of beauty, the rebuild. In fact, you can see it behind me, and if you haven't been down here, you need to see the lighthouse at night. It's lit up. In fact, the star on top of it was done by George McMillan and his son. Is 15 foot 8 inches tall, and it's going to stay on the top of the lighthouse throughout the rebuild or until the top's ready to go back on. Right now they have strings 120 feet long, if I'm not mistaken, that go from the ground to the lighthouse, and it looks like a giant Christmas tree. In fact, you can see it from Galveston Island or just about anywhere on the southern end of Bolivar Peninsula. So we just wanted to let you know we're coming into New Year's Eve. In fact, if you're looking for something to do, there's no better way to bring in and usher out the old year and bring in the new than on the Bolivar Peninsula beachfront. All the restaurants will be back open as of today. Jose's is going to be open from 4 to 9 at night. Stingery Restaurant is in full swing. They open daily at 11 a.m. and don't close until well after the sun goes down. All of them have fresh oysters, but you can't beat the sunset at Stingery Restaurant. So we're going to kick off the New Year's with a bang on the Ask Me About Bolivar show, but until then, come on down. Take a look around and explore Bolivar Peninsula for New Year's Eve 2024. We're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope to see you down here bringing in the new year on the Bolivar Peninsula beachfront. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live, live from the Bolivar Lighthouse. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless. And look for our shows starting the first Wednesday of January on the Bolivar Lighthouse, a 4-week series. God bless and bye-bye. The Big Store, located at 2385 Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas, on Bolivar Peninsula. If you're on Bolivar Peninsula and you need anything, stop by the Big Store, where you'll be greeted by a staff of smiling faces and a staff that's eager to help you find what you're looking for. The Big Store is a fully stocked grocery store with fresh fruits and vegetables, meat department with hand-cut steaks, canned goods, dairy products, frozen foods, and beer and wine. The Big Store is also home to a gift shop, camping and fishing supplies, RV supplies, tools and hardware, and home goods, all under one roof. The Bolivar Peninsula Superstore, like they say, if the Big Store doesn't have it, chances are you really don't need it. For more information on the Big Store and their weekly sales ad, please visit www.thebigstore.us.